Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My skin looks oily because I've just prepped my skin, and in today's video I'm going to show y'all how much a high-end makeup will cost you. I'm not bragging or anything. I'm also going to make a video on drugstore makeup, how much a drugstore makeup will cost you. So there's a huge difference, and also there are many good brands in drugstore, so you can achieve the same look. So in this video I'm going to do on high-end makeup. So without wasting more time, let's get started. So I've prepped my skin, and for that I have used this moisturizer. This is from Kiehl's, and मैं सबके price यहाँ पे किधर डाल दूँगी while I'm showing the product. So this moisturizer, then after this I've used this moisturizer. It's from Bobbi Brown. Then I have used this strobe cream sorry, this strobe cream. This is from Charlotte, very expensive. This is a mini bottle. Then I've used this primer. This is from Huda Beauty. It's called Easy Blur Primer, and it's a very good primer. Then I've used this spray. This is again from Charlotte. It's non-sponsored. She's not paying me for this, but her products are amazing. So now let's begin with the makeup. For my under eyes, I'm going to use this concealer. This is from Too Faced, and it's called Born This Way Sculpting Concealer. And yes, let me just begin with the video. So yes, and the brushes, all my brushes are from PAC. So again, I will link them down below. Then again, this concealer, lighter shade. The shade is vanilla. Yep. I can't tell you how much tired I am right now, because you won't believe it's 12:30 in the night. Yes, both my babies are asleep, and now I'm gonna make videos peaceful. So my under eyes are done, and now my favorite foundation, which is again from Charlotte, and it is in the shade Neutral 4. And let me take this. Darling, this is a very, very expensive foundation. Where's my brush? Oh, it's here. I always lose my brushes. Yes, it is, and it is one of the best foundations. I tell you, it is very good. This foundation is something different. It will give you that skin like luxe looking, bougie looking skin. Skin can also look bougie, you know. So my base is done, and it took me 20 minutes. Power of editing. You guys don't know what goes behind the camera, and still this much is left. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my face. So I'm going to take this loose powder. It's from K Beauty. This is mid-range. This is not very expensive. I didn't have any other powder. I like Huda Beauty, but I don't know, somehow I think Canon ne kidhar ghuma diya hai. So I'm taking this. This is not very high end. It's pretty affordable. And now I'm going to take this compact. Again, it's from Charlotte. And also this powder, this compact has very good coverage. Right now it looks dry, but in like 5 to 10 minutes it's gonna settle, and it is going to give me that shine. Look at that coverage what this foundation gave me. Charlotte foundation, and that is why it is expensive. There's a reason why, you know, people do say कि इतना महंगा क्यों है, ये क्यों है. There's a reason why it is expensive. Some products are really good. पता नहीं, मुझे तो पता नहीं. अभी आप लोगों को बोलोगे कि ब्रैग कर रही है, पर मुझे महंगी चीज़ें ज़्यादा पसंद आती है, because the quality is something about their quality. There are good stuff in like mid-range and सस्ते में भी मिलता है, अच्छी चीज़ है, बट वेरी लेस, very less. If you want that quality, once you use those quality products, you will never go back. Trust me girls, will never go. Just take it. This is very pigmented, yeah. Oh my god, मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ही ले लिया. Let's start from here. मैं तो बहुत ही कम लेती हूँ, because I don't know, somehow I don't like bronzing and all. I like good blush. And you need to blend very nicely. So I've bronzed my face and now I'm going to use a blush. For that I'm going to use this blush. This is from Givenchy and it looks like this. Very pretty, very pretty. And firstly, this blush is very pigmented, very pigmented. पहली बार जब मैंने लगाया था, I got a very big patch, like, you know, दोनों जगह पे ऐसा. So you have to be very careful how much you take, because it's very pigmented. Little goes a long way. Okay, and then tap the excess. Even if there is no excess, still you do that, because I tell you, I've used this blush, but it's very good. It stays for like 5 to 6 hours. Imagine a blush 5-6 घंटे रहता है, मतलब, तो क्योंकि ब्लश ज़्यादातर निकल ही जाता है. So मैंने कुछ नहीं लिया था ब्रश पे, still it has shown some. I want to show you all one more good blush from high end, which is from Rare Beauty. This is more on the coral side and it looks like this. Again, very pigmented. Like, you just need one dot, that's it, and you just have to blend it. So that's the blush. This is my base. A lot of things are still remaining. I'll just spray some. So now I'm going to do my brows, and for that I'm going to use this brow pencil. It's from Benefit. Again, very good pencil and nothing crazy. Like, just filling in the gaps. Then I'm going to use this brow setter. It's called 24-hour brow setter. Such a pretty, you know, vintage looking bottle. I have to do my brows here. I don't get time to do my brows. Now my eyes, and for that I'm going to use this palette. This is from Huda Beauty. It's called Nude Huda Beauty, and it is so pretty. It has all neutrals and, you know, shimmer and pressed glitters also. So overall, very good palette. I'm going to take the shade Teddy. First I'm going to take that shade, and I'm going to take this brush, fluffy brush, tap the excess, and just dot with a very light hand. And look at how I'm holding my brush, not like this. I'm holding my brush towards the end. This is a transition shade. Then a little bit darker shade, which is this one. This I'm going to take. It's called Raw. So don't forget to tap the excess. And then same circular motion. So I have almost blended. And now I'm going to change my brush to little bit pointy one. That was a fluffy brush, like, you know. I'm going to take this shade. Just tap the excess. concentrate here. So that's how my transition shades are looking, and now I'm going to take one shimmer shade, which is this one. This is called Daydream, and I'm just going to take on my fingers because I feel fingers pick up the product very well rather than brush, especially the shimmer ones, especially the shimmer shadows. Wow, look at that pigment. Oh my god. Huda Beauty has nailed in making shadows. Seriously. All her eyeshadow palettes. I have many Huda. I have almost all the eyeshadow palettes from Huda Beauty because she has really nailed this. So my eyeshadow is done, and now it's time for mascara, and for that I'm going to use this is from Too Faced. I'm not going to apply any liner or anything because I don't like it. I have applied mascara, and this is how it looks. Now comes the last and final part, which is lipstick. I'm going to use this lipstick from MAC, and it's called Soar. So I'll just line my lips. Now I'm going to take this lipstick. It's from Huda Beauty. Looks like this. I've never used it. So let's see how it looks. Oh, very similar to Meher, I can say. I think it's very dark for my liking. It's very dark. I want to change my lipstick. Yes, it's almost done. I think I should apply highlighter just to show you all. So for that I'm going to use this highlighter. This is from MAC, and I also have one more highlighter. I'm not getting it now. Okay, leave it. I will apply this highlighter. It's from MAC, and it is called Soft and Gentle. Yes, this is their very famous highlighter. And I'm going to take this blush. This is very good for brides and photo shoots, and especially brides. Oh, look at the shine. A little bit on your nose. Look at that highlighter. It's very good. Ouch! So now I guess it's done, and my makeup looks like this. Let me just spray. सेटिंग स्प्रे लगाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. मैं तो 2-3 बार लगाती हूँ. So I'm all glammed up at 2 o'clock in the night, और मुझे किधर भी नहीं जाना है. This video was all about how much it will cost you to achieve this look using high-end products, and I am sure कि ज़्यादा ही हुआ रहेगा. And but this look you can wear on your own wedding also. You can wear it on your sangeet, on your cocktail, on your reception, because the eye work what I've done is basically we do on brides. And also I'm going to make one similar video using drugstore products. You don't have to burn your pockets. You don't have to go crazy. You can achieve similar look by using drugstore products. Like this video, then do give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.